Hello guys, that's CryptoBoo and this is another trading discussion from the Mega Profits channel. Let's see what's happening in crypto today and especially what's happening with Algorand. As you can see, the price has spiked really nicely since last time and we had these three white soldiers formation on the daily. I'll show you, and it did form quite well even though sorry, you might not be able to see it here. I will zoom in. You see one, two, three big green candles. Then we managed to close above the previous high, which was around the previous local high. And after this, everything else is history. As you can see from this point on, even if you did get into the trade from this point here, you'd have made like plus 34%. How good is that? And I did signal you about this when we did touch the trend line here. The trend line that has formed the bullish trend line, yeah? These are even, the percentage is even bigger. It's like 46%. So that's an incredible move. Wow, everything in the crypto space is red. It's a sea of red, and even Bitcoin is really indecisive and making lower lows and kind of giving some hard time to the bulls. The bulls cannot take control right now, but we'll talk about BTC later. Let's talk more about Algorand. If we hide the drawings or remove them, you can see that everything did start when we broke above this 200 days moving average. Since then, it has been pretty much a parabolic uptrend. We did test it here, but all we know, you can even draw an upwards channel here. You can see that we were hardly having a downtime. It was almost a straight line into the skies. And when we broke out of this symmetrical triangle here, it did not take us long to form another one. That was the first symmetrical triangle. It was a really classical performance from Algorand, and then hop, another one. You'll see it more clearly on the 4-hourly chart. Hop, there goes the another symmetrical triangle. Price did consolidate quite nicely. Up. So, come on. Price did consolidate quite nicely. Up. Did get squeezed and then broke to the upside quite nicely. And you can see the volume profile was going down, which is a sure indicator that we're in for a move. Of course, you do not have a guarantee that it's going to break to the upside, but in such parabolic moves and with the confluence of indicators, the three white soldiers that formed here the retest of the 200 days moving average, the newly created uptrend here, and the newly formed symmetrical triangle, it all led to this nice breakout. So right now we're trying to retest the breakout. I'll try to remove the drawings, but you get the picture, yes? Okay, where will it go? Right now we're facing an interesting resistance here at around 53 to 52 thousand satoshis, right around here. So I do think that we might try and test this resistance. We might cool off a little bit, but overall the bull trend is not over. So everybody that did follow Michael and did manage to make these nice gains from this point on. Is like 45% up, plus 45, plus 45%, yeah. And if you even went in around here when we did break up and made a higher high, you're like another 30% up. So you should be feeling quite well, taking into consideration that the whole crypto market is still indecisive. The altcoins are printing red days day after day, and Bitcoin is again a little bit indecisive and printing lower lows. This Algorand move is incredible. Its Algorand is having its own small bullish cycle. So enjoy the ride, take profits, as I like to say, on such big green moves and green candles. It's a crime not to take profits. Take profits, leave a small moon back, and stay tuned. I'll post more videos and keep you updated. If you like the videos, you can hit the subscribe button and keep on following me. So every time a new video is out, you get a notification. You can react as fast as possible because in trading, timing is everything. But enough. See you next time. Bye.